Hey yo, welcome back to another video. Today is a quick little beginner friendly tutorial on how I do my winged eyeliner. So keep watching if you want to go from this to this. Now, let's get into the video. First, you'll need something with a straight edge to work as a guide. I'm using this polaroid. And second, your eyeliner of choice. I'm using Sephora's brand liquid liner, which I love because the black is bold, easy application, and a couple other wins too. But I'll be using Milani's Weekend brow pen to make a lighter practice line to hopefully better show y'all what I'm doing. I like to create the wing first, so I'll place my polaroid against the edge of my eyeline and angle it how I envision this wing to be flaring out. Once your mind is made up, place marks or a line against that straight edge at the length you want. Feel free to repeat this step as many times as you need until you get the line that you want. The next step is to place a mark at the midpoint of that line and create a line from the midpoint diagonally onto your eyelid. This is building the wing out and will make it look like it's gradually flaring out. Now I'm gonna go over those practice lines with my Sephora liner. Take this step slow if you're still beginning. I understand, trust me, it has taken me several attempts to finally be able to freehand this. Once your outlines are made, fill in any of the empty spots, and if you also want, you can thicken the line up like I'm doing here by stacking rows of lines from the wing to the eyelid. Now to easily add the remaining liner. Simply angle your eyeliner tool sideways and glide it along the lash line. This can be done in one stroke or tiny strokes towards the inner eye like I'm doing. And that's basically it. It's not a perfect wing, but those steps should hopefully help you achieve a winged liner. But for those out there who learn better without a talk through, here's the other eye without the practice steps and a thicker wing. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful to you whether you're a beginner or not. And if it was, let me know in the comments. Also, send me a picture, DM me. DMs are open to eyeliner pics only. If you want more, go ahead, click that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out. Mwah.